Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English reading or writing for grade 5. Here I am teacher Mrs. Naula. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 4 from unit 4 with the topic power from nature. You will find this lesson from page 282 to 283. According to the genre, you can call this lesson as an expository text. An expository text is the one that gives us complete description or details about any knowledge or scientific theory. For this lesson, we have some objectives. Let's see what are our missions and targets for this lesson and what can you get. A thorough reading of the lesson will let the learners know about various mechanisms of energy. They will also understand how the power can be conserved and utilized more productively. This is the main page of our lesson, Power from Nature, on page number 280. On the next page 281, we are going to start our lesson. The whole lesson has been divided into different portions. Each portion is being given a headline. The first headline is renewable and non-renewable energy. Click. You just turned on a lamp. A faraway power plant most likely supplied the electricity for that lamp by burning coal. Coal, which has to be extracted from deep within the earth, is a natural resource. Natural resources are nature's gifts, the riches that exist in the natural world. They include metals and minerals, along with vegetation, soil, and animals in the wild. They include the things that are a necessity for all life: water, air, and sunlight. One important use for natural resources is to provide energy. Energy makes things work. It runs our cars, computers, heating and cooling systems, kitchen appliances, telephones, televisions, and industrial machinery. Where do we get all this energy? Natural resources serve as energy sources. Energy sources are divided into two categories. Renewable energy sources, such as sunlight and wind, can be renewed or continuously refilled. They do not run out. In contrast, non-renewable energy sources can be depleted or used up. Coal, natural gas, and oil, also called petroleum, fall into this category. My dear students, on page number 281, you will see this picture. This is a picture of a natural gas pipeline. According to the text, natural gas is a non-renewable energy source because sooner or later the whole world will go short of this natural resource. It can be finished or depleted. Let's go ahead. Only a limited amount of these substances called fossil fuels exist. Nuclear energy is also non-renewable because it requires uranium. Amounts of uranium are finite or limited. This is a nuclear power plant. Cooling towers at a nuclear facility are producing energy that will be supplied to different mechanisms. From the start of human history, I'm going to start page number 282. From the start of human history, people used renewable energy. For example, sails captured wind to move ships and wood was burned to cook food. Then about 150 years ago, human energy needs exploded. New machines required more energy. New ways to harness or control energy for use had to be developed. From the 19th century on, most energy has come from non-renewable sources. Our next headline is Challenges and Problems on page 282. Non-renewable energy has filled our needs on a huge scale. However, satisfying our energy hunger has been challenging. Supplies of coal, natural gas, oil, and uranium are buried underground. They must be discovered and extracted. Also, human technology is needed to transform natural resources into usable forms of energy. For example, gasoline has to be manufactured from oil and then delivered to customers. Although non-renewable energy sources have filled our needs, continuing to use them poses problems. They not only can run out but can also pollute the environment. Burning coal produces gases that can poison the air. Some scientists argue that these gases have heated up our atmosphere. They say global warming will affect our climate so dramatically that glaciers will melt and sea level will rise. In addition, it is not just our atmosphere that can be polluted. Oil from spills often seeps into the ocean. Extracting natural gas can pollute our surroundings. Nuclear energy creates dangerous waste. What are our solutions to our energy challenges? We must find some answers. One possibility is a return to renewable energy, which generally causes less pollution than fossil fuels. However, renewable energy is currently expensive and complex to harness on a large scale. We have got a new headline for the lesson, and the topic of the headline is Solutions for the Future. Solar power or power from the sun shows promise. Solar panels on houses can absorb the sun's energy to provide heat. Nonetheless, because Earth rotates on its axis and circulates in a yearly cycle around the sun energy is less available at certain times and seasons and in different places. It will take innovation and investment to maximize our use of solar power and other renewable energy. My dear students, you can see the picture of a house. On the roof of the house you can see solar panels have been installed. These solar panels are absorbing the sun's energy. This sun's energy is transferred to different electric appliances like telephone, kitchen items, machinery, washing machine or other generators. So in our home these solar panels are providing energy quite free of cost. On page number 282 we have got a new paragraph. I'm going to read it out. Please be attentive. We also can learn to use non-renewable energy more wisely. Government and private industry have a role to play in protecting our natural resources and in reducing pollution. Moreover, individuals can try to conserve energy. We can remember to turn off lights, TVs, computers and other devices when we are not using them. Small personal efforts can add up to big changes in our energy future. My dear students, so far we have finished our main text of the lesson number 4 of unit 4, and being a student you are supposed to read the lesson at least twice. Whenever you are going to read the lesson you must keep a dictionary with you, so it will help you understand the meanings of the difficult words. I hope you will complete the work. Thank you very much and have a nice time.